Electric controller hinge machine installation video. Connect the 3 wires first. The main line is inserted here. Connect 3 more wires. Put in the trachea, air pressure to 6, chronological. It can be adjusted to 4 to 6. Here's the sharpener. Keep your foot on the pedal to set the depth of the hole. The depth of the hole is here. Twist down is shallow. After screwing, both locking nuts are tightened. This is the regulator. Adjust the motor downward. This one's fast, and this one's slow. This is the regulator. It's yours. After the delay is set to 0, underneath the motor loose packages. There's no time to stay down there. Further along, the longer it stays down there. Screw it to the job. Foot pedal. Feet away. Motor stops automatically.